Alright, kitty. I will be back. I'm just gonna go get some food. And don't think about killing my hamsters. I just got these, so don't think of killing them, Lenny. I'll be right back. Ah, damn it, I couldn't afford any. Oh well. Alright, Lenny. Oh. Lenny, what did you do? Where are my hamsters? Aw, damn. Now my hamsters are dead. Jeez. I don't know what to do with you. I am sorry I have to do this to you. Goodbye. What? Poor cat. I'm gonna have to do what I'm supposed to do a long time ago. Dum, 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 dum. Wait. Alright, kitty. I am sorry. I'm gonna have to die. Oh, what the heck? Like I was saying, I'm sorry, kitty. It has to be done. Alright, let's fly.